In today's video, I will show you how to add www in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, I want you to sign into your Cloudflare account. I'm going to go on the assumption that you already have a DNS and you want to edit that to include a www CNAME. But if you don't have a domain, you can click on add and connect a domain. We have a domain already, so we're going to go to account home, choose the domain which you want to edit, and on the left sidebar you're going to click on DNS. You're going to come here to the DNS records, and this is where you're going to click on add record. Here we're going to come to the type, and we're going to click CNAME for aliasing www to our root domain. In this name field, now we're going to add the World Wide Web, which is www. For the target, we're going to add @ to point to the root directory. We're going to set this on to proxy, and we're going to leave the rest as it is, and we're going to click save. As soon as it's done saving, we're going to see our record here, and that's how you add www to a DNS in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.